I've tried swim baits, I've tried jerk baits, I've tried worms. I haven't caught a thing yet. I've been out here for about half hour or so. The bugs are getting bad. I gotta put on some bug spray. Things aren't looking good, so any fish we get is gonna be reason to freaking celebrate. Today I'm celebrating with Imperial Mango by Schilling Cider House. It's good. Hopefully I get the bell going. Hopefully some fish move up into the creek. I might even get some company. I doubt it, but people know I'm fishing, so who knows. My wife decided to let me do Mohawk 2.0. I don't know, it's kind of fun. Midlife crisis shit. Everyone's got to do a little. Cheers to that. Fucking bite. The whole key to putting this on is to do it without getting it on your hands. This stuff will turn off fishing really fast if you get it on your fingertips. If you do get it on your fingertips, or you're like me and compulsive, you can always just wipe your hands with some dirt. Salt will do it. This dirt's crap. We'll get some real dirt. So this will help get the bug spray off. Clean as a whistle. No, you hang tight there, Britt. It's a little baby shovel, I think. Yeah, a little baby shovel. And I needed a special fish, and I called my cousin Britt.
I'm the bringer of fish.
Look at that. Nice little shovel. I gotta set you down and I gotta go down to the water. Oh my God, it's so slippery. Oh Jesus. He's right there. Oh, Brittany, that was so cool. It's so hard to get. Oh my God. Yeah.
Sturgeon! So it was a little sturgeon.
Yeah.
So now I'm officially the bringer of fish.
You are. You're officially the bringer of fish. I love you.
Another one?
Potentially. It's banging.
Wow, I've never seen a sturgeon before. Holy cow.
There's something on there. It's not
Those
big.
look spiky.
It's a drum.
Yeah. What'd you get?
I got a little drum. And the reason why I like little drum is they're actually tasty. And if I only get one, I'll probably turn it into jerky, but I am gonna keep it.
Oh, very good.
And yeah, they're a fun little fish to catch because they're easy.
I like it.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, I hope he's still on there. I think he is. Yeah! Oh, there's some head shakes. There's some head shakes. What the? Oh, it's a flathead. Third species with Britt. Perfectly hooked in the mouth. Okay, so it's not a huge fish. Survival wise, it'd be a great fish. Look at this beautiful flathead catfish. Mwah. I'm gonna go put this guy back. I gotta go down that sketchy embankment again. It is sketchy. Ooh-wee, muddy. So I really don't want to go down here. I'm on the, it's the sketchiest mud, Britt.
Ah.
You just increased my count by 3 fish. Thank you, and 3 species, by the way.
I think it's all my prayers to St. Joseph. I'm gonna give that one to St. Joe.
I love it. Yes. Hell yeah. Well, thank you so much for joining me on my adventure.
Yes.
And keeping me company.
The pleasure was mine. I loved it. That was fun.
Yes. Well, that's another sturgeon. And I've got a new fishing buddy over on the side, over here. I'm going to teach him about this particular fish, and he speaks Spanish, and so I'm going to fumble through that. Sturgeon. No eat, yeah. ¿Quieres una sidera? Bebida? Sí. Alcohol? That's a freshwater drum. No. No tengo hambre. Here.
Thank you.
Yeah, you bet. De nada. De nada. Yeah, get up here. Nice to meet you. ¿Cuántos tiempo aquí?
2 meses.
Oh, 2 meses.
2 meses no es
Okay.
año.
Oh yeah, we got something. It's probably my last fish of the night. Got my new homeboy. We've been trying to translate English to Spanish. He's been here for 2 months. That's all the Spanish I know. Sí.
Gracias.
Sí. Mi agua es su agua.
Dios le bendiga. Sí. Gracias.
Got our nice hot wok. Kind of warm that up, and we'll remove it. We'll do the same thing with the egg here. And then do the vegetables. We got mushrooms, carrots, a little bit of celery, onions, and a whole red pepper. Some sesame seed oil for flavor, a little bit of oyster sauce, splash of Magi, and a little bit of fish sauce. Ooh, smell that? Smells nice. Garlic powder. Sesame oil. Smells delicious. Add some rice. Kind of break it up. Now this is day-old rice. It's important to use day-old rice. New rice just doesn't cut it. Alright, this is my secret ingredient. These are pickled Thai chilies. Let's add a few of those for some spicy. I'm gonna add that back in. Let it get married, and what I like to do, just gonna add fish stock. Voila! And for a little garnish, we're gonna do some sesame seeds and fresh cilantro. Looks pretty good. Let's give it a shot. Drum stir fry. Drum stir fry is where it's at. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna eat. Woo! I just got one of those hot chilies. Woo, woo, woo.